All right, so what is a hard sell indicator? First, red outline yellow candle formation after a green outline yellow candle. So first, red outline yellow candle, I call it reddish yellow candle, and after a greenish yellow candle, it's a hard sell. So in this case, you have the first yellow greenish yellow candle, and that's the buying opportunity, and then the second one, there is a reddish yellow candle formation, but that reddish yellow candle formation is not that big of a deal because the open and close happen in the same time. So you go and check the third one, and again there was a greenish yellow candle formation, so that means you are still okay to go ahead. But the fourth candle formation, red outline yellowish candle, right? So that's the first indicator to sell this point, this stock. So let's say I bought it at this area, and then I sold it at this area. This is still 15%.